So hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and for today's video, kakain kami ng Singaporean Malaysian food around dito sa Causeway Bay. Tapos nag-order ako nitong chicken hainan with noodles. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang tofu at saka bean sprout at saka egg and like tiny chopped cucumber. Ayan yung order ko. At saka si Dudong naman, meron siyang spare ribs with egg and rice. Ayan. Sarap pala niyan. Nag-try ako habang may noodles ako, diba? At saka ang sarap nung nung pickled. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Hindi siya spicy, basta masarap siya. Favorite ko. Tapos nag-order ako nitong coconut and pineapple smoothie. At saka si Dudong naman, lemongrass. Ayan. Thank you guys!